Hello everyone. This is the third edition of Teaching Learning with ICT. In this video lecture, I will go over another LMS utility that is very useful for each department. That is a digital object locator. This particular feature is developed for departments, not for individual faculty. There are n number of freely available QR codes generators on the internet, but the data is not editable as and when it is required. And sometimes data is also lost on all those free QR code scanners generators. Therefore, create your own QR code for any object, equipment, lab, or any facilities of the college or the department on the LMS. The other interesting point is that the data in the QR code will be verifiable on LMS website. So we will see these two interesting features in a couple of minutes. Now moving on the table of content. First we need to log in on LMS website. As this facility is provided for only department login ID, so we will log in with that particular ID. Then we will see how we can enter the data and create QR code accordingly, and then scanning of the QR code with LMS website or any other QR code scanner, and finally acknowledgement. Let's begin with as I mentioned that this facility is only available with the department ID, so here I am using physics ID. So after login you will have an admin part that are assigned to the physics ID. There will be only one or two utilities that can be accessed by physics ID, the rest is blocked. So if we go in the other menu, there will be a digital object master. So in this digital object master, there will be a type of assets, whether it is equipment, furniture, building, lab, or anything else. Then about that particular assets description, and then CSR entry and the location, whether it is located in the Department of Physics or in the Department of Electronics or elsewhere. So these four types of entries are required. To generate it, on the right corner there is a add button. If we click on the add button, digital object master will be open. We need to enter first the type of the assets. Type of the assets can be equipment, furniture, building, or any other. Then description can be written in paragraph mode also. It can have 100 words or more than 100 words. Then if it is purchased or and entered in the CSR entry, so we can put the entry in CSR, the type and the date of entry, page number, register number, and anything as you wish. After entering that, then you need to provide the location for this particular type of assets. So it will take some time for entering, and then location. Let us say if it is in the Department of Physics, then create new object. On clicking, the new object entry will be created. So it can be seen over here also. I can search it. So if I search it, here you can see this is the entry. Action, edit, view, print, delete, all these can be done. Let us say this is view. Okay, if you want to edit it, it can be edited. From here you can edit. For example, I am just rewriting ray. So again create. So it will be reflected in the search. If you search again, so you can see here whatever you have edited, it is modified now. Now then third main point main is printing. So if you click on the print, so the QR code of these particular entries will be created. As I mentioned that it can be easily edit, you can edit anytime and print it. For printing or save, you can just click on the corner or right click and save as a PDF. So it can be saved in the local hard disk wherever you want. For example, let's say download folder, so it will be downloaded. After getting downloaded, you can also check whether the QR code is properly created or not. So here this is created. In next part, we need to see how we can scan this QR code. Now after creating QR code can be scanned from mobile or laptop or any other equipment. So there are freely available scanner also, and for example, let's say Google scanner, and it is also available in the LMS website. So when you will use the LMS website, two options are there. One is image scanning and the other is using camera. So for example, here I have used the image scanning. As and when you upload the image, it immediately it will immediately lend it at the data on the website. So it will say that digital object verification verified. So these are the two options. One is using the camera and using the image, or even you can use any of the QR code scanner available in the mobile or any desktop or the laptop. So we can create QR code, print it and paste on the equipments or any object, so the information will remains there and it can be edited anytime and can be verified anytime. At the end, I would like to sincerely acknowledge our principal sir, Dr. Suresh Tichlawat sir, Dr. G.D. Gupta sir, Head of the Department and Vice Principal, Dr. R.C. Dikshit sir, Professor and Administrative Officer, and entire IQAC team for giving this opportunity and always teaching us to move further. Thank you all. I will see you in next video.